Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Importing data into a Jupyter notebook is a common task in data analysis and machine learning. Here's a quick tutorial on how to do it, along with code examples. Step 1. Setting up your Jupyter notebook. Before you start, make sure you have Jupyter Notebook installed. You can install it using pip bash pip install notebook. Launch Jupyter Notebook with bash Jupyter Notebook. Step 2. Importing necessary libraries. Typically, you'll want to import libraries that help you work with data. The most common libraries for data manipulation and analysis are Pandas and numpy. Python. Import Pandas as PD. Import numpy as NP. Step 3. Importing data from various sources. 1. Importing CSV files. CSV, comma-separated values, files are one of the most common formats for data. You can use Pandas to read a CSV file. Example asterisk. Python. Read CSV file. df equals pd read underscore CSV, path /to/your/file.csv. Display the first few rows of the data frame. Print, df.head. 2. Importing Excel files. If your data is in Excel format, you can use the read underscore Excel function from Pandas. Example asterisk. Python. Read Excel file. df underscore Excel equals pd read underscore Excel, path /to/your/file.xlsx, sheet underscore name equals sheet 1. Display the first few rows of the data frame. Print, df underscore Excel.head. Make sure you have the OpenPixel or XLRD library installed for reading Excel files. Bash pip install OpenPixel. 3. Importing JSON files. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is another popular format for data exchange. You can read JSON files with Pandas as well. Example asterisk. Python. Read JSON file. df underscore JSON equals pd read underscore JSON, path /to/your/file.json. Display the first few rows of the data frame. Print, df underscore JSON.head. 4. Importing data from SQL databases. You can also import data from SQL databases using the Pandas library in conjunction with SQL Alchemy. Example asterisk. Python. From SQLAlchemy import create underscore engine. Create a connection to the database. Engine equals create underscore engine, sklite // path /to/your/database.db. Read data from SQL table. df underscore SQL equals pd read underscore SQL, select asterisk from your underscore table underscore name, con equals engine. Display the first few rows of the data frame. Print, df underscore SQL.head. Step 4. Exploring the imported data. Once your data is imported, you can perform various operations to explore and analyze it. Basic data exploration asterisk. Python. Display the shape of the data frame. Print, df.shape. Display data types of each column. Print, df.types. Display summary statistics. Print, df.describe. Conclusion. You now have a basic understanding of how to import data into a Jupyter notebook from various sources. You can further manipulate and analyze this data using the powerful features provided by Pandas and other libraries. Feel free to explore the extensive functionalities of these libraries to analyze and visualize your data.